Hey there, today we're diving into the world of fun and style with the men's Afro Wig in light brown. A short curly masterpiece perfect for Halloween, parties, or just a playful day out. Crafted from high-quality, heat-resistant synthetic fiber, this wig feels natural, comfortable, and soft to the touch, ensuring you not only look great but feel great too. Designed with an adjustable mesh cap, it fits most adults with head sizes ranging from 21 to 24.5 inches, making it versatile for almost anyone. The package includes the wig and a free wig cap, so you're all set to transform your look instantly. Before you wear it, give it a good shake to achieve that perfect fluffiness, and remember, a little shedding is normal, especially on the first wear. While the color might vary slightly due to manufacturing differences or your computer monitor settings, rest assured that the overall quality remains top-notch. So, whether it's for a role cosplay, a theme party, or just to spice up your everyday look, this wig is your ticket to standing out and having fun. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.